Hello and welcome. This is Rodney with Blockchain Rain. All right, so rejection aside, calls for a Bitcoin ETF are only escalating. Okay, so we have an article here by CoinDesk in regards to the Bitcoin ETF. So let's get right into it. Karma is real. Just as the crypto community was not so secretly displaying its joy over Facebook's historical stock loss, which was 120 billion. That's a pretty big loss. Bitcoin's price took a surprising drop below $8,000. A reaction to the news that Bitcoin Exchange Traded Fund, or ETF, was proposed by brothers and co-investors Tyler and Cameron Winkelvoss, had been rejected for the second time. It was viewed as another blow to the market. Before going further, to make it clear, the Bitcoin ETF proposed by the Winkelvoss brothers is different from the Bitcoin ETF by investment firm VanEck and financial service company SolidX, which has triggered a wide discussion in the crypto community over the past week. As CoinDesk reported on June 6, VanEck and SolidX announced that they have applied to the SEC for permission to launch the first Bitcoin-based ETF, their latest attempt to do so after several failures. The SEC responded by calling for comments on the proposal in late June. Since then, it has received more than 100 comments, and it is said that a decision may occur as soon as next month. The possibility of the birth of the first Bitcoin-based ETF in history has generated an overall optimism in the crypto sector, as Bitcoin was trading at its highest since late May. Yet, Thursday's news undoubtedly threw a wet blanket on expectations, because the proposal is not consistent with the requirements of the Exchange Act Section 6b-5, in particular the requirement that its rules be designed to prevent fraudulent and manipulative acts and practices. Notably, the SEC's reiteration on concerns over the market manipulation and surveillance is consistent with its opinions during the first rejection back in March 2017. The SEC, however, also said in the document that over time, regulated Bitcoin-related markets may continue to grow and develop, leaving the door open to potentially approving such products in the future. All right, so not a definite no. All right, so nevertheless, crypto community didn't seem to take the news well at first, especially after Bitcoin's price fell from nearly 8,300 following the decision to a low $79.73 and 81 cents, according to CoinDesk Bitcoin Price Index. Now, actually, it did go a little bit lower, actually, to, as we see here on July 26, 2018, 78.78. Right? But we can see here that it's at 8,122.95 as I'm doing this video. So it's back over 8,000. So a Bitcoin ETF sounds good. The SEC saying that, well, they're leaving the door open to potentially approving such products in the future. What do you think? I would love to hear your opinions on this article. Is this a step in the right direction? What do you think the SEC's decision is going to be next month? Will they approve the ETF by the VanEck investment firm, or will they deny it again? I don't know. But whatever they do, we can definitely see that Bitcoin, in my opinion, is headed in the right direction. So even if this year isn't Bitcoin's year, doesn't matter to me. I'm still going to keep buying Bitcoin. What about you? All right, let me know in the comments below. And as always, please like and subscribe. And this is Rodney with Blockchain Rain. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.